Welcome. In this short video, I'm just going to discuss kind of the major analytical techniques used in chemistry. One analytical technique is called the Index of Hydrogen Deficiency, or the IHD, and it indicates the degree of unsaturation, typically of an organic molecule, and lets you know how much more H2 can be added to the molecule. So how many more hydrogen molecules could be added. What it's really letting us know is that there's any ring structures, because when you break a ring structure open, you could add a hydrogen atom to each end, or one hydrogen molecule, and multiple bonds, because again, when you break a multiple bond, if you break a double bond, you could add another hydrogen molecule or two hydrogen atoms to each carbon that had the double bond, or whatever had the double bond. It could be a carbon to oxygen as well. So it looks at the molecular formula, and you don't need any equipment to analyze it. If you know the molecular formula, you can determine the IHD, which we will do in one of the following videos. The other three techniques are actually used to identify and determine the structure of the molecules. And this would include mass spectrometry, proton nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, or HNMR, and then infrared spectroscopy, or IR. So analytical chemists identify and characterize unknown substances, determine the composition of a mixture, and attempt to identify any impurities. The three main types of analysis are qualitative, which detects the presence but not quantity of a substance, like a drug test simply tells if different chemicals are present. Quantitative analysis, which measures the quantity of a specific substance, like the blood alcohol level, particularly in a driver's breath. And then structural analysis, which describes how the atoms are actually arranged in molecular structures, like comparison of natural versus artificial structures. So what we're going to be focusing on in the next couple of videos are structural analysis. And there's several instruments available to provide structural analysis. And generally, these instruments work by analyzing the effect of different forms of energy on the substance analyzed. And so the three that you're going to be expected to know some basic information about are, again, IR, or infrared spectroscopy, mass spectrometer, which we've already talked about, as far as yielding percent abundance and helping us calculate average atomic masses, and then this idea of nuclear magnetic spectroscopy.